Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Excel uneditable. Start by saving a backup, then use Protect Sheet to block edits and Protect Workbook to stop structure changes. Consider password encrypting the file for stronger security and mark as final for a quick read-only hint. I'll also show how to restrict permissions and hide formulas so others can view but not alter your keys. Protect Sheet locks cells and allows you to specify editable ranges so collaborators can still enter data where permitted. Protect Workbook stops sheet insertion, deletion, and reordering to preserve structure. Use different passwords for each layer to reduce risk, and remember to record passwords in a secure manager. I'll guide you through enabling editable ranges and when to use workbook protection for team files. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps. Quick recommendation: pick up leak-proof meal prep containers to keep lunches tidy when you're deep into spreadsheet work or teaching others. They save cleanup time and reduce spills. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them easily. Then now let's get back to the video. Encrypting your workbook adds a required password to open the file and is the best defense when sending sensitive spreadsheets. For teams, use cloud-based permissions or information rights management to control who can view, edit, or copy content. Mark as final and hide formulas to discourage casual editing, while remembering that true protection uses encryption and proper access controls rather than cosmetic measures.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.